we will discuss the topic is lethal genes. An allele which has the potential to cause the death of an organism is called a lethal allele. In the year of 1907, E. Bohr reported a lethal gene in snapdragon, that is an antirrhinum species. It is the best example of recessive lethality. So, snapdragon is a type of garden plant whose flowers, when pinched, open and close like a mouth. So, it possesses three kinds of plants. So, one is a green plants with chlorophyll pigment, which represents the genotype is capital CC. And the next one is a white plants without any chlorophyll. So, it is a recessive character. So, it expresses the genotype is small cc. And then next one is a intermediate, that is a heterozygote nature. F1 generation is a yellowish green plants with carotenoids, that is a pale green plant. So, golden or aurea plants. So, it is also express both the parental characters. So, heterozyte of the genotypic. So, capital C, small c. In the F1 generation, the heterozygotes of aurea plants are produced. So, in the F2 generation, both the identical phenotypic and genotypic ratio is like codominance and incomplete dominant. This is also 1:2:1 or produced. That is 1 green, capital C, and 2 aurea plants. So, capital C, small c, and 1 white. So, recessive character, small c, small c. In the F2 ratio is modified into 1:2. Y means the homozygous recessive genotype, small c is lethal. So, here is the flowchart explanation of the lethal genes. So, parent generation is the antirrhinum green species, green plant species, the chlorophyll pigment. So, this is the dominant, capital C, and another one is a white plant. So, antirrhinum white plant. So, small c. So, both the plant characters are crossed with each other. In the F1 generation, it possesses the aurea plant. So, capital C, small c, that is the heterozygous nature. And the F1 generation is selfed or interpret with each other. In the F2 generation, the one is a capital CC, it's a dominant parental character, and 2 is a heterozygous. So, capital C, small c, and remaining one is a white, that is a small c, lethal gene. Since the white plants which lacks the chlorophyll pigments, so they will not survive. So, the F2 ratio is modified as a 1:2 ratio. Okay, so this is the homozygous recessive lethal. The term lethal is applied to those changes in the genome of an organism which produces the effects enough to cause death. So, lethality is a condition in which death of a certain genotype occurs prematurely. So, lethality is a condition in which death of a certain genotype occurs prematurely. So, the fully dominant or fully recessive lethal allele F2 ratio will be changed into 2:1 or 1:2 respectively, because the white chlorophyll cells which is not survive. So, the F2 generation of the recessive lethality will be changed into 1:2. Okay. Next one is pleiotrophy. A single gene affects multiple traits. In pleiotrophy, a single gene affects multiple traits and alters the phenotype of the organism. It influences the number of characters simultaneously, and such genes are called pleiotrophic gene. So, here we easily understood one gene which affects the more than one effect, that means more than one character. So, multiple traits. So, one gene only affect the more than one character, that is known as a pleiotrophy. That gene is known as a pleiotrophic gene. So, Mendel noticed pleiotrophy while in his breeding in experiment with the pea plant. So in his garden, he noticed a purple flower, brown seed and dark spot on the axil of the leaves. This parental character is crossed with white flowers, light colored seeds and no spot on the axil of the leaves. So both the parental character inherited together as a single unit. This pattern of inheritance where the three traits controlled by a single gene. So whether the gene become a dominant means in the F1 generation, the dominant character will be expressed. Whether the character is be a recessive means that character is recessive in the F1 generation and both the characters expressed in the F2 generation. So the pattern of inheritance where the three traits controlled by a single gene means whether with a dominant or recessive alleles. And one more example is a sickle cell anemia. Thank you.